Hello. Today we're going to make one of these insulators out of some bottle caps. So I have some needle nose pliers, some lineman's pliers, some cutters, a drill, small drill bit, some 14 gauge wire, and some bottle caps. I also have my little clamp-on vise right here. The first thing you want to do is take one of your bottle caps, drill a hole in the middle, drill a hole on this side, and drill a hole on this side. Come down here. Make sure this is exactly centered. As centered as you can get it. As centered as you can get it. And then we're going to come onto this side, drill a hole here. That's a dull drill bit, needs sharpened. Come onto this side, drill a hole over here. That's a very dull drill bit. Should have punched through that in a second. Now I'm going to take this piece of wire that's cut about a foot long and I'm going to put a ball on the end of it. That's a little bit too big. Wow, that shot across the room. Put a little ball on it like this. Need my alignments. Shape it a little bit better, and then take your alignments, put them like this, bend this down, make sure it's nice and flat, and then we're going to stick this through here. Slide it through the cap like that. And then we're going to come down here. Lineman's cuts it easier. We're going to cut it about right here. And then we're just going to take our needle nose pliers, stick an eye on it, bend that into an eye. There's one step. There's my little hook. I'm going to take the rest of our wire, go right in the center and bend it like this. We're going to take the ends, stick them in here like this. Then we're going to take this part, and we're going to go like this. I hate working with steel wire. Copper is so much easier. Having trouble bending that. These needle nose pliers aren't really meant for this. Make them nice and straight. There you can see how that is. This just goes down inside. And there you can see how that is. You can see how the middle eye is right in the middle. Like, take this and cut it right here. Like I said, not strong enough tools for this. Try to cut it back. Drop the insulator. And there's one insulator there. You can see how it is. You just take two of them. Take them like this, hook them together, come down here, crimp this shut, and then you can take a piece of wire like this, make a loop in it, bend it on out there, come down here like this, down here like this, bend it like this, bend it like this, take your alignments pliers, cut these ends off, and And there you have a little clamp that you can tie your conductors to. What everyone's saying, what's a good insulator without a test? So let's see what this does. I stuck it on my 10,000 volt Jacobs ladder. Let's plug it in and see what it does. And it's insulating it. It's insulating it pretty good. And just to show you that this is actually on, we're gonna go like this. Up there it goes, it burned the insulator. It jumped it. Just like that, it burned the insulator. You know, and I shorted it out. Anyway, that's a good test. So it did work. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Now it stinks like burning plastic in here. Yeah, this is real safe right here.